Okay, we've finished our head here. We've let it set up real good overnight, let it dry. So we're going to sand this down to get the sides even with this here, and then we're going to round the sides down to get the general shape. We've added a couple of screws on each side to keep it together so it won't pull apart on us. So that's about ready. We have our two ears, or our horns here that we made. And these are finished, just need to be a final sanding to them. Those will be going on here, somewhere in there, on an angle. And we have our ears already done, which will be going in here. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.